Hey guys, welcome to the video. I'm back, and I'm gonna start making these type of videos with Dylan. And, Dylan's my brother, so, well, he's gonna be trying Windows 8.1, which is Microsoft's second newest operating system. And it's, about 7 years old now, but, let's get into the video. Hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so Dylan is here. He's going to be trying to use Windows 8.1 Pro, I think. How do you feel about this, Dylan? Are you scared?
I'm probably gonna suck so bad.
Yeah, he's never used anything more than like a little bit of Windows 10, a little bit of Windows 7. This is going to be a little confusing for him. So, Dylan, why don't you do the first task, which is check for the time. How would you do that?
Read that.
Can you read the time?
10:04
Okay.
p.m.
All right. So good job. One check is off the list. Now, this is a little bit harder. Personalize the computer in any way. So what would you do? Here, read.
I can't
read those.
Okay. Personalize.
Okay. Good job, Dylan.
I don't know.
That's smart.
Backlog.
So just look at those. You can choose one of those. Just do one of those.
I'll just do this.
Okay. The virtual machine might be slow. Yeah, and Windows 8.1 Pro. Okay, good job. 2 off the list so far. All right, you can close that out. I think that's a slideshow. Okay. Now write and save a text document. Now this might be a little bit hard, but what looks like a menu? What do you think would be a menu? Look in the taskbar right here. Look in the taskbar. Just try the taskbar. What looks like a menu?
Here.
Don't open the notepad back up. Hold on. Just the notepad, that one. Yeah, don't close that. Go to here. Have you ever? You know how to use Windows a little bit. Here. All right. Do you need a hint?
Yeah.
Okay. So, for a menu, here, hold on, my thing's being annoying. So for a menu, you're gonna need to click the Windows button. This menu is a little bit different. In Windows 8, they changed it and made it look very dumb. I don't know, here. So, Dylan, there is a thing. What looks like a search bar to you? The application called Notepad. No, it's not. Yeah, it's Notepad. What looks like Notepad?
This.
No, wait, what? What are you pointing at? That's OneNote. You're looking for Notepad. There's a search option. It's kind of, it's in the. All right. Do you need a hint?
Oh, there it is.
Yeah. Okay. Good job. Right there. And then search Notepad. There you go. Click that. You can click enter if you like. Okay. Now, you need to write something. Just write anything. It doesn't even matter. Dylan, you're doing pretty good. Alright. Move that cat. Oh, Dylan. You're silly. You're weird.
Oh,
Okay.
I want to do some more.
You can't, wait, okay. Alright. Just keep typing, I guess. Okay. Focus camera. This is my iPad camera. It's pretty bad. So what are you typing? Is that it?
Nope.
Don't. Oh gosh. Is that it?
No. What's it called?
Okay.
That actually did happen before.
Oh, yeah. Now, how do you save it? You need to make it a file. There you go. Click that. And then save. And put it on the desktop. Just save it there and then name it whatever you want.
Wait, where do I put it?
Just leave it there. Just and then make something, then name it something, whatever you want to name it. Sorry guys, it's pretty. Yeah, I'll just put it up close. There we go. Fat cat. Dylan. That's just only a Dylan would do that. Did it save? Okay, close that. Shoot. Here, move the window a little bit. You just click on the top and then drag it. Windows 8. Okay, yeah, you can click there and close. And then I want you to open the Fat Cat file up. Double click it. And should appear. There we go. Alright, saved. Now close it. And put it, and then delete it.
Where do I put it?
Here, I can't give you all the hints. You could, I think you can right click it and or you could drag it into the recycle bin. There you go. And now right click it.
Oh, you mean
Right click it and empty it. We have video footage
Dang it.
of the Fat Cat. We have video footage of the Fat Cat. So it will be forever stored in my video. Empty it. Wow, Dylan, this is good. Okay. There you go. Now what is the next task? Play a game. This is easy. So, what looks like a shopping place? What looks like a shopping center? There you go.
Why can't I just turn off the internet and try to Google something and then play the dinosaur game?
Cause I don't want to mess the Windows 8 up. This might take a long time. Oh, there it goes. Alright, now, just search up something you'd like. This is a little bit different from the Windows 10 one. You can search for apps. You can get you can't get Minecraft because Minecraft costs money. You know. Dylan.
I just want to see what...
That's not a thing. So search up an actual game that you'd like to play. It doesn't really matter. You can mess around with this again later. You're doing really good, Dylan.
But dang it. That's definitely not going to be on here.
Fortnite?
Yep.
No.
Okay, what?
I don't think you can.
Wait.
This is worse than my actual normal computer. It's like half of what my normal computer is. Pac-Man? It probably... there you go. Some Pac-Man games. And you can... No, you shouldn't.
Oh, that one costs money, dang it.
Are you sure it does? Here.
Yep. It's Sky.
Look for a free Pac-Man
This one
game.
looks free. Pac. It's not Pac-Man, it's Pac.
Install.
I know how to do this. I have a phone.
You're doing really good. Windows 8 was easy to use. I don't know if we'll be able to do Windows 7. Yeah, just hold on. Add this. Just ask me later. Windows.
Install.
Install. App installed on this PC. Now, click it. Click it, Dylan. Dylan, please stop. Okay. Pac-Man. It should load Pac, whatever.
I'm probably gonna have to use these.
Yeah, new game, I guess. Or, well, you can just do whatever. New game, whatever.
No, time. Just. Oh.
Alright, you are the... That's a little bit... That looks... Okay. Maybe try... WASD?
Yeah.
Arrow keys? Yeah. Oh. Something happened.
Maybe it's just Polish. W.
Huh. I don't know. There seems to be a reload
Yeah, I'll try that.
Yeah, try click that. Because wow, this is actually pretty. It's not loading. Oh yeah, it goes off the screen because it's a virtual machine. Just click the reload. It's like a little reset thing on the right bottom corner. I think I'm hinting too much.
Yeah.
Just click that.
Don't hit me if I try like anything else.
Here.
God.
I don't know.
I have no clue.
Maybe click? Here, hold on.
Probably.
I'm just trying to get this working.
Click level 1.
Oh wow. This is my computer is dying, I think. There we go. Is there a play button? Hold on, guys. Well, I mean, I guess Dylan did it. Well, I guess you can quit it now.
Okay.
Just go up to the top. Or I think you know how to close a program. Oh shoot, I was gaming it.
How do you?
Maybe try hitting the Windows key. Or go on the thing. Go on the virtual machine, and then hit the home key, the Windows key on the virtual machine screen. Here, hit this.
Oh.
Or this happened to me earlier. Excuse me, guys.
There we go. Wait, what?
Something happened. I think. Oh yeah, I think it's getting really slow. This might be a virus game, but it doesn't matter because this is not my computer, it's a virtual machine. There we go. And now you can go home. You can click the start button, the desktop right there, you can click that.
Nice.
And then go down to the pack game and close it out. Do not click that bottom bar, that's my virtual machine bar menu. Close window. And now,
Explore.
you can skip Explore if you like. You can,
What am I supposed to do on that? Like
that's Internet Explorer. You can search the web.
I know I'm gonna search.
You can search like cat pictures or something.
You
can
were
search
right.
You don't need to do anything. You can, and then when you're done exploring, here you can tell me, and then just give me your opinions on Windows 8. I'm gonna start uploading every Monday, and every Monday I'm gonna make a video
Okay,
with Dylan.
I got on Explore, and I probably could do it.
Yeah, this virtual machine is really slow. There's a lot of files.
Alright.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Alright, how do you feel about the Windows 10 operating system?
Windows 8.1.
Yeah, Windows 8.1. Thank you.
Well, I have okay, so don't close out. I'm gonna try the Explorer again.
The Internet Explorer. You don't have to.
I just want to try.
Try. I think it's really slow. It's not a really popular browser anymore. I don't think you can even. This is a really slow virtual machine, so I don't want the video to be way too long, but. Oh yeah, there we go. It
Okay,
loaded.
so
you can type like anything you want. Don't.
I'll wait for it to
Some
load.
sites won't work. Yeah, this is really old. On Windows 7, you'll be using Firefox because that was pretty popular in Windows 7. Yeah, it's getting pretty slow. I think I'm gonna have to uninstall this operating system.
I don't know what the heck I just searched. As to what the heck that's supposed
What
to
are
be.
you gonna search?
I was gonna search fat cat.
Oh. F8. Just make sure it loads because yeah, cats are cute. Okay. And then go to images and you can see some cute cats. And then you can actually here. I'm gonna give you another task. So Dylan, right click one you like and save it and put it on the desktop.
I like them all.
Just right click one that you prefer as your desktop picture. And then save as a file, or you can, yep, and put it on the desktop. The desktop up there.
OneDrive, probably.
Just don't put it anywhere. Just save it. Just save it down there in the button. Just save it. And then click save, and then close it out. And then right click the cat picture. And then set, hold on, right click it again. I think it does that. Just make sure you right click it, set as desktop background. And there you go, Dawn.
Yeah, it's very...
Alright, how do you feel about the Windows 10, the Windows 8.1 operating system? Is it easy to use or hard and confusing?
Well, if I could tell it better if it was running faster.
Yeah.
Is this how it actually was?
No, you can get it faster if you have a better computer, but this is half of what my normal computer is, so it's really slow.
Okay, so if it could be better, how do you want me to rank it? Like 1 to 10?
Yeah, 1 to 10, I guess.
So if I wanted it to be my like it's not that hard to use.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Like, so I would say I would give it a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. I everybody doesn't like Windows 10. I don't know. I'm not the start menu.
I could rank it better, like doing other Windows. Like,
yeah. I like Windows 7 and Vista. Those are pretty nice. But do you have anything else to say about this?
it's very easy to like change the background. I don't know about.
Is it easy to like navigate and like find things? Is it?
Yeah,
is
if you
it,
have
is
a
it
better
just
computer.
yeah? But is it like easy to find things and like files and games and download games?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Is that all you need to say?
Yeah, that's all I need to say.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time, next Monday, on another episode of Dylan Tries Windows. See you guys. Bye.